Hello learners, this is Habiba with Excel with me. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is research in education. We have started with quantitative data analysis. We have understood in detail what is quantitative data analysis. Today we are going to discuss steps to conduct data analysis. Now for quantitative data, raw information has to be presented in a meaningful manner using data analysis methods, which we have discussed in the previous class. If you have not seen, please go back and check it out. So through these methods, we will present the raw information to be presentable in a meaningful way. Now quantitative data should be analyzed in order to find evidential data that would help in the research process. Obviously, whatever research we are doing, this data is the main thing which we need to analyze. To find out the evidential data, these research processes will help. Now let's see different data analysis steps now. First step is relate measurement scales with variables. That means associate measurement scales such as nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio with the variables. Already we have discussed about these measurement scales also in the previous class. So we have to associate these measurement scales with the variables, which variables we are taking. For example, if I am taking academic achievement of secondary school students, how would be their emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence also variable, academic achievement is also a variable. So I have to select some measurement scales to collect the data. Now this step is important to arrange the data in proper order. Obviously, data can be entered into an Excel sheet to organize it in a specific format. If I have taken emotional intelligence, whether it is affecting the students in their academic achievement, I will take the academic achievement reports, that the next part. First of all, I will take one questionnaire related to emotional intelligence, and then I will collect all the questionnaires and I will put them in an Excel sheet, whatever scores I have gathered related to the research. Now the second one is connect descriptive statistics with the data, that is link descriptive statistics to encapsulate available data. Obviously, whatever descriptive statistics, if we are doing any descriptive research, then we will get some descriptive statistics. So we have to arrange all the things in the Excel sheet, whatever available data is there, so that we can do the further process. It can be difficult to establish a pattern in the raw data. Obviously, if I am taking a raw data, it is not possible for me to do all the all the statistics on the raw data. We have to convert them. That will become easy. Then some widely used descriptive statistics are mean, median, mode. Obviously, these are the measures of central tendency which are very important, and mean means an average of values for a specific variable we will take. Then median, a midpoint of the value scale for a variable. Then mode, for a variable the most common value we will take. Then comes frequency, that is number of times a particular value is observed in the scale. Then minimum and maximum values, that is lowest and highest values for a scale. Then percentages, format to express scores and set of values for variables. Now the third step would be decide a measurement scale, that is it is important to decide the measurement scale to conclude descriptive statistics for the variable. For instance, a nominal variable score will never have a mean or median, and so the descriptive statistics will correspondingly vary. Now this descriptive statistics suffice in situations where the results are not to be generalized to the population. Now the fourth step, select appropriate tables to represent data and analyze collected data. Obviously, after deciding on a suitable measurement scale which we are going to take, whether maybe nominal or ordinal or ratio or interval, now these researchers can use a tabular format to represent data. Now this data can be analyzed using techniques such as cross tabulation or turf. So these are related to the steps of analyzing the data analyzation, that too quantitatively. Now there are two branches of this quantitative analysis, that is two main branches of statistic methods that are used. Number one is descriptive statistics, the second one is inferential statistics. Now to understand the difference between these two branches of statistics, we need to understand two important words. These words are population and sample. We have clearly understood before also related to population and sample. Let's have a quick look of these. Now what is population? The entire group of people interested in. Then sample, the small group of accessible people, that is subset of population. For example, if I am taking whole school as one population, I am going to select maybe one class or two classes of that whole particular population, that is school. I am going to select two classes. That will become my major sample here. Now why sample population important? Descriptive statistics focus on describing the sample. Then inferential statistics aim to make predictions about the population based on the findings within the sample. Now we use one group of statistical methods, that is descriptive statistics, to investigate about the learning habits of a class students. Another group of methods, inferential statistics, to draw conclusions about the learning habits of entire school students. So for that only we do all these things. Now we will discuss about these two in the next classes. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.